Welcome back on the Van Rap Radio ngaduka ndidzina ndi mwana ndi wa mahunguni anana zwinwe raje na midini na midana ne rabanyulu za hote ndi migodini na miedzini hote rekotsara chigoyana dzithaba rikabadisala one masamaswa badadu wakudumwana mswana paka screen hapo ni akudida zune dumangazo akudidia yeah man alade muswa ke channel, make sure that you go and hit the subscribe button and pass click a button in there press and press na chibele echo bari kovu uriya marichaputa zungu video baziwane bakono notification mswananda kwamba ngahaye enda wana update ndio repeat post man anadibenga zina lore ndi Percy kana Percy ndi Mukwevho ndi mwana wa legendary Mukwevho. He's back in the studio working on the new music. He's just killing it. Probably might be getting a brand new album also. So I'm gonna play you a clip in Rio Farah, something nyana that sound like is something that he's working on. Yeah, man. So I want to ngotamba zwinji usikonda batambira this clip, then you can hear or Farah Zipi yone Pachivana Music and Entertainment. This is the Van Rap Radio, and then Msuhana and the People's Man gonna Percy Ndiwaha Mukwevho. The reason of this record, yeah, man, we seem like we're gonna be getting some brand new music, some fresh sound, some brand new hits. Yeah, man, we're gonna be getting some fresh music right from People's Man. Now what he's part of Reader D Entertainment. Who go deeper venda, who go deeper South Africa. There's music left and right. Ngore corona dia kakisa banabadzura babasa kushuma. Zozino bobuya ngwendira. They're making sure that they're killing it non-stop. I don't know mangor zena was those innovators only were kwam 0826937124. Kandi name on Twitter, Van Rap Radio _ name on Instagram, on name on Facebook. I got the brand new music. Guys, I don't send music on WhatsApp. You can check the music upload on the artist Ivani for like a www.vanrapradiostation.co.za. Don't ever upload the music wabo. Music mahara. So make sure that you check it out there, and then for our social media www.chisimani.co.za. Ne mara here ndibafuna zone.